welcome to your maths classroom again. Today our topic is derivative. We are dividing our topic into three subparts. In the first section, we will discuss the revision lesson of derivative. That is, the formulas you have learnt in your previous class. I will write down that formulas. In the second part, we will find the derivative of composite functions, and in the third part, we will find the derivative of implicit functions. Okay, the definition of derivative. The derivative or differential coefficients of the function y equal to fx with respect to x at the point x is dy dx or f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 del y by del x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h, provided the limit exists. Now what is del y and del x? Del y is the increment of y, that is fx, and del x is the corresponding increment of x. Now what is the value of fa? That is at the point x equal to a dy dx, which can be written as f dash a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus fa divided by h. Now r f dash a, that is the right hand derivative of the function fx. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus f of a plus h minus fa by h, and left hand derivative is l f dash a, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus f of a plus h minus fa by h. Now when these two derivatives r f dash a and l f dash a are equal, we can say that the derivative f dash a exists. So when r f dash a equal to l f dash a, then f dash a exists. Now I will write few basic formulas of derivative. Number one is ddx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1, where n belongs to q, that is n is any rational number. Number 2 is ddx of sin x is equal to cos x. Number 3, ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x. Number 4, ddx of tan x equal to sec square x. Number 5, ddx of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Number 6, ddx of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. Number 7, ddx of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Number 8, ddx of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Number 9, ddx of a to the power x equal to a to the power x log a, where a greater than 0 and the base is e. Number 10, ddx of u plus v or minus v equal to du dx plus or minus dv dx. Number 11, ddx of uv equal to u into dv dx plus v into du dx. Number 12, ddx of u divided by v equal to, numerator is v square, then v du dx minus u dv dx. Number 13, ddx of log x equal to 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. Next, number 14, ddx of any constant k equal to 0. There are few more formulas which you can use to make your sum more easy. That is, ddx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. Number 16, ddx of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. Actually, these three formulas are derived from formula number 1, that is ddx of x to the power n equal to a into x to the power n minus 1. Now, you will learn to find the derivative of a composite function. What is composite function? Composite function means function of functions. Suppose y equal to f of 5x. So this is a composite function because this is a function of functions. Here you can assume phi x as u. Then the function reduces to y equal to f of u. Then how to find the derivative of this function? To find dy dx, what you will do? First of all, you will find the derivative of fu with respect to u. Then you have to multiply this with phi dash x. Or in other words, to find dy dx, you can do dy du into du dx. This is the rule to find the derivative of composite functions. I am explaining it with an example. Suppose you have to find the derivative of y equal to sine x cube. So this function can be written as y equal to sine u, where u equal to x cube. So to find the derivative of dy dx, what you will do? You have to find dy du at first and then you have to multiply it with du dx. Now what is dy du? This is y equal to sine u. So derivative of y with respect to u is equal to cos u, and u equal to x cube. So derivative of u with respect to x is equal to 3x square. Therefore, dy dx equal to dy du, that is cos u, into 3x square. So it can be written as 3x square into cos u, and u is x cube. So this is the result. Now I am giving you one more example. Suppose y equal to e to the power 3x square plus 5x plus 6. You have to find its derivative. So first of all, this function can be written as e to the power u, where u equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So what is du dx? Du dx equal to 6x plus 5. And what is dy du? Dy du equal to e to the power u. Therefore, dy dx equal to dy du into du dx, which is equal to e to the power u into 6x plus 5. That is equal to 6x plus 5 into e to the power u, and u is 3x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is equal to e to the power 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now I am giving you one homework. Y equal to sin cube x at x equal to pi by 2. You will do it at your home and you will write the answer in the comment box below. So far, we have discussed about the functions in which y can easily be separated from x. This kind of functions are called explicit functions. But there may have some functions where y cannot be easily separated from x. These functions are called implicit functions. Now we will learn how to find the derivative of implicit functions. Suppose there is a function of the form 3x square plus 9xy plus 5y square equal to 2y cube. Now you have to find the derivative of y from that function. That is, you have to find dy dx. Now what you will do? First of all, you will differentiate these whole functions with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then what you will get? First, derivative of 3x square, that is 6x plus 9. This is of the form uv. So keeping x fixed, dy dx plus keeping y fixed, dx of x, that is 1, plus derivative of 5y square. This is equal to 10y into dy dx equal to 6y square dy dx. Now you have to find dy dx from here. So we are keeping this dy dx in one side and all other terms in the opposite side. Then what we will get? Here we will keep 9x dy dx plus 10y dy dx minus 6y square dy dx equal to minus 6x minus 9y. So what is the value of dy dx? Dy dx equal to minus 6x plus 9y divided by 9x plus 10y minus 6y square. So this is the derivative of y from this implicit function. Now there is one more problem. Find dy dx from x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to 2 at x equal to 1. You will do that sum at your home and you will write the answer in the comment box below.